Ken Zener is research analyst at KeyBanc Capital Markets. He's been warning us, Ken, about the effect of tightening cycles. But I don't know, are you feeling like we're anywhere closer to the sector being a buy here?
No. In short, our WOW thesis, which stands for Wall of Worry, as you noted, 16 of the last 18 cycles back to 1969, the stocks did fall about 30%. That does not include a recession. And as Neil Ferguson highlighted, we are skewing really towards trends that we saw in the first half of the 70s, not the second half of the 70s. And it's not priced into the stocks yet because they don't bottom until the end of the credit tightening cycle.
We are, though, wouldn't you say, about 30% off the highs? So how much further is there to drop for the builders?
Well, more is obviously our baseline assumption. Because I think the recession and really stagflation is really starting to come in with many of our building products. And we did downgrade some product names last week. We're seeing low to no volume, rising prices, which is really a function of price demand destruction. So if you look at the home builders trading at 4 times earnings, some near books, some above, the reality is earnings at 3 to 4 times what they were in 2019 reflects the credit cycle. There's too much. The bullish housing narrative is too reliant on adjectives like tight supply, price. We put a report out last week showing record listings, highest since March 05, seasonally adjusted. That means more supply is coming on.
Wow. Because, again, anecdotally, I know some folks who are still having trouble trying to get into a house. So you do have some plays here. You still like NVR. It's one name we've heard recommended a lot. It's outperformed the rest of the group, but it's still down 25% year to date. You also have some aspects like Pool and SHW, which you think are maybe ways that investors can possibly benefit from some upside here.
Right. We think those are the best position within our framework, which is obviously somewhat defensive. And in fact, Pool and Paint are the only 2 categories that we see coming out of first quarter where we actually see volume contribution to revenue growth, not just price. So those are, we think, the best position. But obviously our WOW thesis casts a shadow over the product names.